Now let's try and understand what would be the situation if we have, instead of pi by 2, we have pi and 2 pi. Now mind you, this would follow the rule for even. Alright, how? Now let's take an example. Now let's call it as sine pi. Now sine pi, we can also write it as sine pi by 2 into 2, say, minus theta. Alright. Now, so this also is equal to pi. So that's even again. Alright. So it would follow the same strategy or protocol that we followed for even. Alright. So let's check this out. Now suppose instead of this, let's write it as sine pi minus theta. Alright. So actually you can go by pi by 2 also, or you can go by this circle method also. So it is sine pi minus theta. So it is pi is over here, minus theta. Alright, so minus theta comes in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine is positive, and since it is even, as I told you, sine remains sine and the SIGN sign would be positive. Now let's check out over here. Now this also is what? This is also 1 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2 minus theta. 2 pi by 2 minus theta is again what? So now since it is even, so sine would remain sine theta, and it again comes in second quadrant. Alright, so it would be positive. Similarly, if you take 2 pi, again same rule as for even. Alright, sine would remain sine theta only, and then follow the rule 2 pi. Now let's, instead of pi by 2, let's check out for pi. So this is pi, 1 pi, this is 2 pi. Then it depends upon whether you are taking plus theta or minus theta. Alright, so even for sine pi and sine 2 pi, we follow the same rule as we follow for even. That is, same trig function remains in your answer. Same trig function remains in your answer. Alright, and then check out what positive or negative considering 2 pi. Now when you are considering 2 pi, it is 1 pi, 2 pi, that ways, plus or minus theta. If you are considering it as pi, then it would be pi, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and plus or minus theta. So in nutshell, whenever, if we are talking in terms of pi by 2, if it is odd, then the counterpart comes on right hand side. If it is even, same trig function comes on right hand side, whatever is there on left hand side. And if we are talking in terms of pi and 2 pi, it follows the rule that is being followed for even. Okay.